What a day, right? Oh, hey guys! I just came back from school. I need to do my bed and clean up this place right here. And I'm going to work on my chisels, which I'm going to sharpen. So stay tuned for it. First, let me get this going. Forgot to turn on the light. Here they are. Once I finish this video, I'll upload the unboxing of the Stanley Sweetheart Chisels. That way you guys can see it, and you know, we can move from there. I should have done the upload a long time ago when I actually got them. And to be honest with you, I got them in December 18 of 2016. So it's been a while. We have a quarter inch or 6mm. And then we have a 1/2 inch or a 12mm, a 3/4 inch, which is 18mm, and a 1 inch, which is 25mm. It comes with a pouch and everything. Supposedly they come already sharpened from the factory, and that they were actually sharpened, it would cut hair. Obviously it's not cutting hair. They are sharpening to extend, but not they're not sharpened as they should. I don't know if that's any clear. Let's see. Maybe you guys can see the edge of that. It looks fine, but it's not fine. I'm just gonna use regular water, which is Fiji water again, because it's clean. This is the 300 grit, the 600 grit, and the 1200 grit. Since this is already sharpened, I'm just going to use the 1200 grit. Oh, that's right, the other tool I was supposed to show you guys. It wasn't in the box. I'll be back. Should I show you guys what I already have? I think I already covered this in another video, just in case I didn't. I have a Century head, 12-inch Century head, which is this. Bought it at Ace. I bought a Stanley Sharpening Sharp Tooth, also at Ace. A fine tooth saw, also at Ace. Oh right, a speed square, also at Ace. A 6-inch combination square, also at Ace. And that's a cheap one, right? Honing guide. I purchased this at Amazon. It's from 1/5/8 inch. No, 1/3/16 inch, all the way up to 2 inch. You guys can go ahead and pause the video and read it. And this is the honing guide. Now, am I happy with these tools? Heck yeah! Heck yeah! The way you use this honing guide, you're gonna sharpen this side, right? First. So you're gonna place it downwards. That's a little open. And you have to make sure it sits in there. Let's see. Alright, and then you tighten it this way on this little knob. But so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit it down onto the stone, and it's telling me that that's my that's the degree it's supposed to be cut. Need a quarter. It says ensure that the roller rotates. Okay. For plain irons, use the wider of the step jaws. To hone a 25-degree angle, project the blade 2 inches from the edge of the jaws. For a 30-degree angle, project it 1.5 inches from the edge. Okay. So basically what it's saying, so right here is, so right there is 1 inch. 1 inch, what is that? Mil, or a little over 1 inch. Just like 2 lengths. So is that a 3/16? Making this a 30-degree angle? Look, I'm not an expert, and I'm just leaving it as it is right now with this same degree. I'll get more information about this later on, but for right now I just want to sharpen it, because I wanna, I wanna make my things. So also another thing, what I need to do is I need a little sprayer, right? So I can spray this stuff. So I don't want to make a mess. And make sure this rolls onto the stone. I don't know if you can see, but it has like particles, dirt from the stone. So right now what I'm seeing is that I'm just really doing the edge. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe around right there and right here. I'm just doing like maybe 2 millimeters, or was that 1/8, and it's supposed to be doing the whole thing. So I am going to realign it. It might have moved. Hmm. 30 millimeters, 30 degrees. 38 millimeter is 38 degrees. 40 millimeters is 25 degrees. I don't know how to read millimeters, nor 3/16. That's one thing I lack. Math, or I lack dimensions. Dimensions? Like how to measure. That's what I lack. So 1/5/8. That right there is 1/5/8. That's a 25 degree. Keep on doing what I was doing. Now hopefully this will change it. Now the reason I'm going back and forth on the stone is so that it'll even out evenly. Okay, now I see that it's cutting more, going up. And also another thing, this thing is taking a little bit longer is because this is the first time me doing it. And I didn't start on the 600 grit. If I would have started on the 600 grit, it would have flattened out a little bit more faster, and let's see, it would have been a little bit more easier. But newbie, I don't know what I'm doing, and I hope I'm doing this right. But by the looks of it, it is. You guys see the different shades, meaning this is more shiny than this side. So that's what I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to get to it so it'll be this shiny. Maybe I should have bought another stove, the, what was it, the 3000? And again, I don't think it necessarily needs to go all the way up. This is just for me to start practicing. The more I practice, the more I know, right? So what is happening here now is that everything else is getting contact. This part is getting contact, and this part is getting contact with the sharpening stone. And this is a void, or like a hollow space of the chisel, meaning it's not flat enough. As long as I see these parts being more shiny, I guess you can say, it's what I actually need it to be. Let me bring it up. Alright, so here, this is sort of like hollow. These edges, especially this corner and this corner, are getting true flat, and I still need to work on these in order to flatten it. They need to come out shiny as these little corners, all the way across the chisel itself on the flat side of it. That way it'll be a true flat surface when I'm doing cutting into the wood. I'm gonna try to get some food first. 47 minutes, oh my gosh. That's gonna be a long editing. Alright, so I'm back, right? And I finished it. And I finished up the 1-inch chisel. So as you guys can see, this part is flat. This is not flat, it's not true yet. But I am gonna leave it like that for right now. As long as this part is flat or true, or flat and true, I'm good with it. Now I can start using this. I'm gonna sharpen the other ones and keep on going until I finish all of them. Hopefully tomorrow I'll start working in a wood project. and you guys be able to see what I'm working on. So that's it for right now, guys. Thank you once again for coming back to my channel and watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. If you want to follow me, I'm at Facebook and Twitter. Hey, maybe you guys can help me out on some of this stuff, right? Like if I'm having a problem, like measurements wise, I don't know how to measure. I barely know how to read a tape measure. So anyways, I'm bragging too much, or talking too much actually. So see you guys next time. I'll continue with this.